OnePlus 12R comes with new gold color scheme, uses molten gold glass technology and is made of high refractive index and high observation rate coating material, showing a crystal glass texture and material color with both elegance and the power. The design of the OnePlus 12R at the back of the fuselage, the lens module area in the upper left corner adopt the same glass color process as the OnePlus 12 model. On the middle frame, OnePlus 12R uses metal sand blasting technology to bring a delicate frosted feel. At the same time, it performs precious cutting on four sides to bring a new 3D cover metal surface. So OnePlus 12R is equipped with 1.5K Orient screen. The display quality is on par with the flagship OnePlus 12 Orient display screen. Its resolution is 2780x1264. The pixel density is 450 ppi. It supports DCI-P3 100% color gamut. So let's talk about Orient screen is equipped with OnePlus Cell Development Bright Eye Protection technology, which not only supports 2160Hz high frequency PWM dimming but also traditional DC based on dimming. Two modes, 3 EM pulse and 1 EM pulse are provided for users to choose from. 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED display, 120 Hz 1600 nits brightness in auto mode and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. OnePlus 12R is equipped with Cell Development image quality engine that matches Oppo first generation display chip Display P1. The panel also boasts Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and punch hole cutout for the 60 megapixel front facing camera. OnePlus 12R also brings the same flagship 50 megapixel IMX890 sensor as the main camera, joined by 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel micro camera, 4K video recording option at the back but 1080p at front. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset at the helm with a 16GB LPDDR R5S RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The software side is covered by ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 with a battery coming in at 45500 mAh and feature 100W Super 4 fast charging, which promotes complete 0 to 100% charge in 27 minutes. Other features including NFC, infrared remote control, USB Type-C 2.0, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS to speaker and a display fingerprint scanner. He comes in black, sea blue and rose gold color. OnePlus 12R price set is $350 for base variant.